Assalamu alaikum everyone. Uh, this is Himel from Bangladesh. We are garments stock Lloyd, wholesaler and supplier. Actually, we are collected from direct factory. Uh, our items varieties. Maximum men's items is our main work. T-shirt, polo shirt, sweat shirt, hoodie, trouser, shirt, pant, underwear. Uh, then we are collected from directly factory our goods. Shipment cancel. Number one, shipment cancel or shipment excess, shipment over or leftover, etc. Okay, our main shipment cancel, shipment over, and shipment excess. Actually, measurement system European, maximum European pattern, European style, European measurement. But Bangladesh is garment sector available huge quantity out of the site our local site in the garments product. So actually I need real buyer and proper wholesaler, proper businessman, just only for garments sector. Because garment sector, our main work is garment sector. Okay, money stock lot. So if you want any buyer, you can must be follow me, because I am among Bangladesh number one top 10 of my sourcing and my collection of the super good. Maximum products is shipment cancel, shipment over, and shipment. So level is of all type of branded: Puma, Adidas, Next, Zara, H&M, Penguin, Tommy Hilfiger, Leros, Mustang, Fila, FNF, etc. Huge level. Okay. So actually I need, or we are must needed the real buyer, real party. So one to one business step is one to one, and any item I think that is the another sourcing to the my sourcing of the directly factory. Okay, maximum per good and per piece product 20 or 10 taka discount, or the 20 or 10 money low. Okay, so everybody, this is video of the just for your real buyer, and this message or my video recording just the real buyer, you can the receive now or the recording now, and my contact number and my and address Ghazipur, Bangladesh, Ghazipur, Uttara nearest our office. Gazipur, my office to Uttara distance maybe 8 kilo or 7 kilo distance. Okay, so any buyer, any person or Bangladesh or foreigner, it's okay, I need, and on to on my contacted number, this below of the comment sector. So everyone, please connected my and my in-law. I am my office, in my office, the is the so take your life and take your business and safely travels for everyone. So goodbye and my congratulations, welcome my Bangladesh, anyway, and the of the Bangladesh. I invited you all person my office. So big anytime, any month, and anyway, it's okay. You can meet me. It's okay. Congratulations, everyone. Goodbye. That's all. No more today. Allah Hafiz.